everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I hope that you're having a fabulous Monday. Today I'm diving back into these simply layered kits that I do with Chris. So today we're going to look at our 12 by 12 layout. This is a traditional layout, and the way that this simply layered kits work is when you place a $50 order or more with me using a host code, I'll put the host code right up here for you guys, you get a kit and it comes to you, directly to you, and there is product to do the 12 by 12 layout. There are products to do the card that Chris has designed, and then there is also a kit to be able to do the 3D project. So you get 3 different projects that you get to make, and you get that for free when you place a $50 order or more with me. So this month we're using the needlepoint Nook stamp set, the dies, and then we're also using the designer paper. So you can see right here, this is beautiful designer paper. So the only thing that we do not ship in the kits is anything that is 12 by 12. So you need to have the base cardstock for your layout. This is Petal Pink. You also need to have the designer paper because we don't ship any of that. It's too expensive to ship anything that is 12 by 12. So this month, you're getting the needlepoint Nook layout, and then the cards. I'll show you Chris's her card and her project. You can see she used the designer paper and she used the dies, and then her 3D project is beautiful as well. I love the items that she designed. So with this, when you make a purchase, you use the host code. That host code indicates to me that you want to get this kit for free, that you want to get the kits for free, the simply layered kits. And when you do that, you're going to get an exclusive PDF that shows you all of the measurements for all of the projects, the layout, the card, and the 3D item. And then you also get exclusive videos from Chris and I. So I will be doing a video that will show you how to put this layout together. I walk you through it. She does videos on her 3D project and her card. And then I always do an exclusive video as well that walks you through the product. I give you ideas for memory keeping, ideas on what you can use the layouts for, just different things like that. So this today begins the pre-order, which means you are placing your orders to get this product, and then in 2 weeks that closes, so we know exactly how many kits to cut and prep and get mailed out, and then the kits mail out at the end of the month, like the 4th week of the month they will mail out. So if you have any questions, you can always contact me, and I'm happy to help you place an order or answer any questions you have. Again, our suggested supply list is the needlepoint Nook stamp set and die, and then also the designer paper so that you have that on hand, and you're going to be able to make so many cute projects with this paper. The color combos are great. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I am so excited to be back doing the simply layered kits. Chris and I skipped last month just because I was still recovering and just didn't have enough time to get it out, but we are back to sharing these simply layered kits with you. The whole point of these are that they are simple and you can put them together. You can feel really successful with the projects that you're making, and we're right here to help you along. So I hope that you're excited about this. I will be back tomorrow to share with you guys another project, and I'll be back all week crafting with you. So I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I will chat with you later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.